Welcome to our channel. My name is Nikita from BISP Solution. In today's video, I'll explain about value set in Oracle HCM. But at first, we will know what are the value sets. In context of Oracle HCM Cloud application, a value set is a group of valid values that you assign to a flex field segment to control the values that are stored for business object attributes. Value set is a collection of values. It validates the values entered by the user for a flex field report or a concurrent. So why do we need value set? Oracle apps use value set to validate that correct data is being entered in the field. For example, you do not always want a user to enter junk-free text into all the fields. That's why we need value sets. So these are the format type of the value sets: character, number, time, standard date and time, date and time. So let's move on to the application. Here, top right of the page, click on the profile name. Then go to setup and maintenance option. Here, set the all task and search for the manage value set. Click on the first option. Click on the manage value set for global human resources. Here, if you already created value set, search by filling the value set code, name or validation type, value data type. Fill any one of them and search for the predefined or previously created value set. For creating new one, click on the plus icon. Here, fill the value set code and description. Then select the module. Search for the module name. Select the global human resources, then click on OK option. And after that, we select the validation type and value data type. So you have these validation type: format only, independent, dependent, subset, table, view object. Here I select the independent validation type. Then select the value data type, number. The data input when we select the validation type, the data input is based on the previously defined list of the values. And same as if we select the dependent, the data input is checked against a defined set of values. So we select here the independent values. Here, give the minimum value 1 and then give the maximum value. And after that, click on the save and close option. So this is how you can create value set in Oracle HCM. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching.